Hi everyone. I'm here today to talk about the positives and the negatives of advertising. There's multiple different forms of advertising, so I think like each form has its own positive and negatives, but I'm just going to focus on everything in general. So I'll start out with the negatives because I like to end on a positive note. First and foremost, they can be annoying. So you're watching your favorite TV show and it's cut to a set of 5-minute commercials, right? If you ever watch TV shows on like Netflix and things like that, you'll notice that for an hour-long program, it's like a 40-minute show. So that means that like 20 minutes of it is advertising. It can be annoying. It takes up a lot of time on the TV. It takes up a lot of space. You pick up a magazine and how many pages of it are just advertising without any actual like readable content. Then there's also a lot of like unneeded information. Okay, that can be for things that just aren't your target. Like, I don't drink, so any advertisements about alcohol are just unneeded information for me. Personally, I think a lot of the ads that my son sees in his shows are unneeded information for him because he does not need any more toys. But of course, for him, that is what he would consider needed information. They can also be redundant. A lot of times you see the same commercial over and over and over and over again, and that can be really frustrating. Advertising does have some positives. One of the positives I can think of is like sales and coupons. So when there's new products coming out, advertisers will also work with merchandisers and put a lot of those products on sale, or the company will release high value coupons for those products for people to try to use it so that eventually they like it and they buy it without the promotion. So people can also really benefit from that. Another thing that is great about advertising is you do learn about new products. Some things you want, some things you don't want, some things you need, some things you don't need but you want. Also, ads provide a sense of entertainment. I think one of the easiest examples to point out would be the Super Bowl. Super Bowl commercials are often really funny and they're often replayed on the news and everything. And it's that's both free advertising. So they can be very entertaining. There are positives and negatives to advertising. The negatives are like they're annoying, it takes up so much time, unneeded information, and they're redundant. But there's a lot of positives like sales and new products and entertainment. In the end, advertising is an essential part of this consumer society that we live in. So like it or not, it's not going anywhere. Thanks.